welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something I haven't done in a very long time. A Lush haul! Plus some other stuff that I have recently gotten. Oh no, I got foundation all over my sweatshirt. That sucks. Anyway, I've gotten some new makeup recently. I have gotten I'm trying to get all my makeup here. And I have gotten a lot of Lush stuff as gifts. So I figured I would show y'all. So let's start with the Ulta stuff. I have two new things I tried out in this tutorial for this look. I got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C3. It's quite light. They have a very nice range if you have very pale skin. And I'm not sure about darker shades. But I know that they have a lot of different undertones. But I think they have quite a few shades because you can also use these to contour. But so far so good. I like this stuff. And I've had it on for a few minutes now. So yeah, I got that and it's only $7.99. So it's super cheap. And then again, a super cheap find. I wanted to try a new foundation, so I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Soft Ivory. And this also has a bunch of different undertones and skin tones and colors. This one is light with warm undertones, and I believe that is what I am. So yeah, and this is the one that is good for photos for no flashback. So it is prom season, so I would say maybe check this out. It seems to be staying really well and it's not oxidizing on my face. So sometimes this like cheap foundation is the way to go for dances and stuff like that. So I got that. Let's see, what else did I get? I got a new loofah. This is from Eco Tools. And I specifically got this one because it is for really dry skin, and my legs have been really dry because of the crazy weather we've been having. But this is also made from all recycled plastic. So when I am done with it, I will be able to recycle it. Then I got the Mario Badescu AHA Botanical Body Soap. This is to take care of dry skin and like bodily acne, because AHA is actually an acid that happens naturally in like fruit and stuff, in this case grapefruit, and it breaks down dead skin cells and helps get rid of whiteheads. It's also really good for your face, not this one particularly because this is for your body, but AHA facial cleansers are really good at helping with acne. So here is that, and it smells super good. Like, it doesn't smell like medical or anything like that. And then of course the staples in my beauty collection slash product lineup, or whatever you want to call it. Batiste. I got two new ones. I decided to try some new scents. This one is tropical and it smells like coconut. It smells very, very good. I like it. And it also doesn't leave like little white chunks in my hair. I found the original formula did. But I got this one, and then I got the Neon Lights one, and this is limited edition, and it's pomegranate and jasmine. So I wanted to try this one out. I wish they did have these in the bigger cans though. I think this one might come in a bigger can, and I didn't realize these were the smaller cans when I bought them, but they will last me quite a while. But again, the cherry and wild scent are my favorites, along with now this one. This is the last thing from Ulta. I got an Eco Tools body dry brush. I've been dry brushing to just remove dead skin and all of that, and this was only like $5. Everything I bought was under $20. It might have even been under $15. But yeah, I got the body brush to take off dead skin, and it's quite nice. It is a little harsh on sensitive skin, so just be careful with that. But again, it's Eco Tools, so it's environmentally friendly. So now let's get into the Lush stuff. The first thing I got was from my grandma. She got me this box, and this is the Honey Mummy box. Basically everything I got I shouldn't say everything. A lot of the things I got are from the Mother's Day collection, and this is one of them. So I'm going to try and untie it here. So the box is quite cute. It has bumblebees and flowers on it, so I'm going to keep the box. I always keep these Lush boxes because they're really pretty. So I haven't even opened this yet, clearly. Their packing peanuts, which I believe are biodegradable, are shaped like little stars this time. So we're going to remove these, and I can smell it already. This is like really strong. So the first thing is looks like it leaked a little maybe, is It's Raining Men shower gel. I've never tried this one. Let's see. Vanilla perfume is recommended with this, and it says exotic flowers, skin softening honey, and toffee scented showers. I'm just gonna open this up real quick. Oh, it's sealed, so I don't know what, maybe like one of the massage bars or something. Oh, that smells really good. It definitely smells like toffee more than flowers. But this smells very, very nice. I like that a lot. I'm gonna set that aside and put that like right in the shower right away. Let's see. Okay, the next thing, I'm gonna keep it in the package just because I don't have my little containers with me, and these melt really easily, this is the Scrubby Body Butter, blend of honey, ground almonds, and cocoa butter, leaves skin be beautiful. So it looks like a little bumblebee, and I can feel it's kind of like lumpy. It looks like the almonds are in here, and then it's honey scented. So that is super cute. Let's see. Then we have something that I have tried before, the Lemon Flutter cuticle butter. It's great for your nails, especially if you get acrylics like me, and when you go and get your cuticles cut, it's good to have that for afterwards. Then we have I think this is called Honey Bear massage bar, which looks like this. You can smell it through the bag, and it smells super good. Caramel scented bar. Yeah, it just smells like caramel, but it's a cute little bear. And I don't know, are you supposed to use these in the shower or not? I think not, but I'm not sure. That smells really good. Or maybe you are, because you're supposed to put them in that little container. I don't remember. Let's see what else we have. Then we have a hand cream. This is the Helping Hands hand cream. Open this up here. It's very thick. It smells really good though. Almond oil, honey, and lavender. I think everything in this box has honey in it in some form. Let me try. Yeah, that's really thick. And it feels really good. I think I've had this before. Or no, I had the Dream Cream. So this is different. And it also has chamomile in it, and it's for dry, sore skin. I think this is kind of like a good product to get like a man, because especially if they like work with their hands a lot, or if they work out. Like I know my dad and Sean get like really bad calluses on their hands, so this is good for helping out with that. And then we have a soap. We have a bar of soap, right? What is this? Oh, this is just a little description. Oh, how to use massage bar. Melt the bar directly on dry skin and massage in oils and butters. So no, you don't need it for the shower. And then this is the bar of soap. It has some flowers on it, and this is the chamomile lawn soap, not slope. Chamomile and lavender lathers, and it smells very nice, and it looks like a little leaf. So we have that. I'm leaving most of this stuff out just because I'm going to dump these packing peanuts. I might save that ribbon though. It's really pretty. We have one little thing here. This is the maple soap. It's a little sample. just gonna open it because I want to see what it looks like. They're so tiny. Oh, it's just pink. It's just pink, like this. It looks like it has some chunks of stuff in it, but they don't give you the description for this. So I'm just gonna wrap this up. And now we have another. So these ones are all from Sean. I did get the Cosmic Warrior face mask, but it's a fresh face mask, so it is in my refrigerator currently. But it has garlic in it, like actual chunks of garlic, tea tree oil, and I believe rose water. It's just supposed to calm your skin, and I used it. And on this side of my face, it was all, well, I have makeup on right now, so it's hard to tell, but underneath it's all very red and kind of bumpy and textured, and that took that way down. So I got a bunch of bath bombs. So I got the Yellow Submarine, which looks like a little yellow submarine. And this one has, a lot of the scents I get are the same kind of scent. But this is like very citrusy and kind of grapefruity, and it actually, I think, like propels itself in the water. So it smells very nice. But it smells really good. I know the signs say like how it smells and stuff, but to me, it just smells good. Like if it smells good, I don't care what's in it. I think sometimes the signs are misleading. Like a lot of times it says like, oh, it's spicy with like black pepper scent and this, and I think of like I'm not a big fan of spicy scents all the time, but when I actually smell it, I really enjoy it. So I tend not to read the descriptions, but for some people it matters, depending on like if you have a nut allergy or something. It says it has almonds in it, like clearly you don't want to get that. Then I got a bubble room. This is one of the Mother's Day ones. Is the red one. And it's like the marbled bubble rooms. Like they kind of have this little like cookie sandwich look to them. There's 3 of these. The purple one I know is the lavender one. The blue one has like jasmine, or maybe that's the purple one. I don't know. I will look and see what the name of this one is, but this one you can like break up in the shower, and the top is definitely like a waxy thing. Let me look at the receipt. I think it's citrus are doing it, so it's a citrusy smell. There might be more to that, but I don't know. Then I got some of the bath oils, which I love that they give these in these little biodegradable containers now, so they don't melt in the bags. And so I filled this up with the You've Been Mangoed, and these are just little bath oils. Like you drop them in, they smell real nice, and they make you feel so soft. This is something about Magnificent. Yeah, the Magnificent bath oil. It smells so good. And then I got 2 of my favorites, which are the Floating Island. And they smell like vanilla and cinnamon. They make you smell like a chai latte, but they smell so good. Alright, next we have 3 more things and then we're done. This is another body scrub. This is the cherry one. This is new. I'm gonna put it back in the bag because it's like super soft and melting in my hands right now. I might have to put this like in the fridge or something. But it has a nice scrub to it, I can tell you that already. But I love the smell of like cherries and almonds, particularly the oh god, I can't think of the name of the shampoo, but it's the little kid shampoo, and it has the eye on it and it says like no tears. And you, like, if you're from America, I don't know if they have it in other places, you probably had it if you were a child of the 90s. They still make it too. And it comes with a little cap, and I used to play with the bottles in the bathtub. But they have a cherry almond smell, and that's what this smells like. Just with like real cherries instead of fake cherry. But it's in the shape of a heart and it's got little cherries in it. And that's a body scrub. I don't know if I mentioned that. So then I got a jelly bomb, which I've only tried one, and that was the Halloween Ectoplasma one. And then now I have this one, which is the Secret Arts jelly bomb. And it is kind of like, right? Is that the right one? Yes. No. This is the Big Sleep. And this is like, I don't know. I think it's gonna make really cool water. Then we have, I think this is the Secret Arts. And yeah, this is the Secret Arts jelly bomb. And it is the black one. And this is one that they said was supposed to smell spicy, but I don't think it really does. Maybe when you put it in the water. But yeah, so I'm gonna have black bath water, and I intend to do a video. I tried to start making this video a long time ago of all the different Lush bath bombs, and I think I still have them on my iPad of just videos of me dissolving them in water. So maybe that's something you guys are interested in. I think I still have it. If I don't, I'll start over with these. But tell me if you are interested. I get these a lot in the summertime because I actually have a bathtub in my home. I do not have them here in college. So yeah, if you guys want to see more Lush hauls, let me know. But that is the end of this beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.